Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will assemble these G-Fans Hobby Shop Diorama. This is the code. I bought these at Hobby Station. Let's begin. So this is what it looks like when it's finished, and they also include some box cutouts, so you can put these on accessories and then accessories. So it has a DSM model mini GT boxes, Hot Wheel boxes, G fans boxes, ignition model boxes, which is nice. They also include a banner, store banner, but we're not gonna use these. I printed out my own banner, which is Tokyo Station, our favorite diecast store. I'm gonna put their website on the description and their address if you want to visit the store. So let's see. So this particular diorama is released long time ago. This is just the time that I get a hold of it. So you can see on the previous G-Fans build, we already built some. I'm gonna put some of the link on the end credit of this video. So this is the front of the store. Nice. Some posters. I think this is the side. Nice. Some toy models. This is the sliding door, the overhead door. This is the roof with the LED lightings in it. This is the base. These are one of the walls, as you can see. Another walls with displays. Outside parking. Yeah. Let's begin. What's the problem? It's too big. How come? So we made this one too big. So we're not gonna put it right now. I'm gonna make a new one. Let's just put the let's just put it all together and this one. So we printed a smaller one, as you can see the difference. Yeah, that's the right size I need. I don't know, the one included in it is also big, so I don't know how would you expect to put these there if it is too big. So let's put the banner now and let's see how it looks. So here it is, guys. I don't know, it still looks small, but I think that's okay. This one is too big. It will exceed on this platform right here. So I think that should be okay. So let's see what it looks like when it has a light. So that's it, guys. I stopped making these boxes because it looks like it's too big for the diorama. As you can see, even though this is a whole box of ignition boxes, it's still big for a 164. Like, look at that. So I stopped making it. So I don't know what scale is this, but it's kind of off scale. So take a look. So I didn't test the light, so I cannot show you guys right now, but yeah, it's nice. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. And if you want to order these, just go to tokyostation.ca. They have stock of these diorama and other designs. So see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.